Hello YouTube, welcome back current subscribers. If you're new, feel free to subscribe. In this video I'll show you how to clean the air filter in a Honda GC190. The air filter is right in here. First take off the cover, push in the tabs and lift up. Remove the cover. Now wipe around the sides and remove the filter. Now, to clean the air filter out, take the filter, tap it on a hard surface, or use an air compressor. Make sure it's not over 30 psi. Now clean out the air cleaner body. Make sure nothing falls into the air duct. Alright, once that's clean, put the air filter back in. Make sure the cover is clean. Put it back on its hinges. And close it. And there you have it.